When you think of luxury real estate, you probably picture $10 million beach houses or $30 million penthouses in New York. But what happens when you multiply that by 20? Welcome to the absolute pinnacle of American real estate, the legendary $500 million price tag. Homes in this realm aren't just houses, they are private cities, modern fortresses, and living art installations. Today, we're stepping inside what $500 million actually looks like in America. To understand a $500 million home, you have to look at mega estates like the one in Bel Air, Los Angeles, a property originally listed for a staggering $500 million. Sitting on a hilltop with 360-degree panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean and downtown LA, this 105,000-square-foot palace redefines scale. 21 bedrooms and 42 bathrooms, because walking to a distant bathroom is for commoners. A 40-seat private Dolby Digital movie theater, a 4-lane bowling alley, and a full-service commercial spa. 5 swimming pools, including a massive moat that wraps around the main residential block. A private nightclub with custom VIP lounges and a 30-car subterranean gallery. At this level, you aren't paying for marble counters or designer furniture. You're buying absolute isolation, unmatchable views, and architectural impossibility. While California holds the record for mega compounds, New York and Florida bring their own $500 million flexes. In Manhattan, multi-story penthouses atop super-tall skyscrapers on Billionaire's Row push towards these unheard-of valuations. You're living 1,000 feet in the air above Central Park, complete with private glass elevators, ballroom-sized living spaces, and full hotel-style private staff at your beck and call 24/7. Down in Florida or Hawaii, $500 million buys entire private islands or massive multi-structure oceanfront compounds with private deep-water docks capable of mooring 200-foot mega-yachts. Here's the wild part. Buying a $500 million home is only step 1. The maintenance alone costs millions every single year. Property taxes. Expect to pay $5 million to $8 million annually just to keep the title. Full-time staff. An estate like this requires a team of 15 to 30 people, security teams, estate managers, landscapers, and private chefs. Utilities and upkeep. Keeping 100,000 square feet air-conditioned and maintaining 5 pools can run over $50,000 a month in utility bills. A $500 million house isn't just shelter. It's the ultimate trophy asset reserved for the top 0.0001%. If you had $500 million to spend, would you buy a massive LA mega mansion, a NYC penthouse in the clouds, or your own private island? Drop your pick in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tours inside the world's most extreme real estate.